Imagine growing fresh veggies and raising fish, using almost no money. Yes, this simple setup can feed you for months. Welcome back to the channel. And today you're going to learn how to build a beginner-friendly setup using a simple aquaponics using containers with a hydroponic grow bed installed right above it. No fancy equipment, no expensive tech, no NASA engineering degree required. Why this system works. Aquaponics sounds complicated, but here's the magic. Your fish produce waste. Bacteria convert that waste into plant food, and the plants filter that water so your fish stay healthy. It's basically the circle of life. If the Lion King had a gardening spin-off and materials you need, let's start with the basics. Here's everything you need, and trust me, it's less than what you think. Materials list: beginner-friendly. 1. Water tank or fish pond. A small concrete pond or any waterproof container of any size. 2. Submersible water pump strong enough to push water to your grow bed. 3. Hydroponic grow bed or trough placed directly on top of the pond. 4. Grow media: clay pebbles, gravel, or lava rock. 5. PVC pipe or small hose. 6. Water return pipe, gravity-based. 7. Net pots for plants. 8. Siphon or overflow outlet. 9. Fish tilapia equals easiest for beginners. 10. Seedlings: lettuce, pak choi, basil, mint, tomatoes. Step by step. Ivory simple. Step-by-step build. Concrete. Pond or waterproof container. It's either made of glass or plastic. Plush hydroponics beds on top. Step 1. Prepare your small concrete pond or waterproof container. Make sure your small concrete pond or waterproof container is sealed properly so no minerals leach into the water. Fill it up with clean water. Step 2. Place your grow bed above the pond. You can use wood, metal, or even hollow blocks to support it. As long as it's stable, you're good. Just make sure it can hold the weight when it's full of water and media. Step 3. Install your water pump. Put the pump inside the pond. Connect a PVC pipe running up into your grow bed. This sends nutrient-rich water straight from your fish to your plants. Pump push water up into the grow bed. Step 4. Add grow media plus net pots in a hydroponic beds. Fill your grow bed with media. Place net pots and insert seedlings. Place your seedlings on top. They'll naturally grow as long as the water flows. Step 5. Return water to pond. The water drains back down through a siphon or overflow pipe. Gravity does the work. You can make a simple hole or return pipe so water falls back into the pond by gravity. This is important in order to avoid overflow of water in the hydroponic bed. Step 6. Add your fish in the water glass fish tank, not in the hydroponics bed. Tilapia are basically the superheroes of aquaponics. Hardy, fast-growing, and they don't complain about anything. How the system works. This whole thing works because the fish make natural fertilizer. The water carries that to the plants, and the plants clean the water for the fish. So the cycle repeats again and again. Almost automatic. Maintenance of aquaponic is very easy. You don't need a lot of work here. Just remember: 1. Feed the fish once or twice a day. 2. Check that the pump is running. 3. And harvest plants when they're ready. That's it. No complicated testing, no expensive tools. What benefits we can get in aquaponics? 1. This system grows vegetables faster than soil. 2. Uses way less water. And 3. Gives you healthy fish at the same time. 4. The whole thing can run for just a few dollars per month. Remember that promise at the start. Growing veggies and fish with almost no money. Well, here it is. This simple setup proves you don't need big budgets or complex systems to start aquaponics. If you found this simple guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More beginner-friendly farming tips are coming soon.